So on this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can make money with affiliate program. And if you really watch this video from the beginning to the end, you are going to make up to $1,000 if you really put in more work. So just watch this video and you will learn. First thing I want to let you know on this video is that you don't need any website. You don't need any one of these platform that I used to talk about, or doing keyword and all this type of a thing. You don't need all those things. What you need to do is to focus on what I'm going to show you on this video. It's a new strategy and I want you to pay attention to this. So the first thing we need to do is to go and pick the affiliate product that we want to promote. So we are going to AppSumo have an affiliate program that will allow people like me and you to make money from. So what AppSumo is doing is that it's partnering with companies, and all those companies will come and publish their product on this platform and give lifetime access to people that purchase their product and service on AppSumo. So that is what AppSumo is doing. So what we are going to be doing now is to explain in details in a tutorial video showing people how to use a particular tool software, and in return we are going to leave our affiliate link in the description of the video. If our user or our subscriber click on that link, or they like the product or the software that you have introduced to them on that particular video, and they start using it, you as the publisher, which is the affiliate marketer, you are going to get a commission. So that is one thing that I want to let you know on this video. So what first thing you need to do is to scroll down to the bottom of this video. What you need to do is to scroll down to the bottom of this website. So once you scroll down to the bottom here, you need to click on the area where it said affiliate. So once you click on affiliate, it's going to open up this affiliate page of AppSumo. You can see get paid every time you send us a customer. So that is what affiliate marketing is that you send customer to a particular company and they will pay you in return for doing that. So when we scroll down here, you can see that AppSumo is letting us know that we can earn unlimited income up to 100% commission per a referral. It's not 100%, but up to 100% commission per a referral. So that is one thing I want you to understand when it comes to you using this website. And one thing that is good is that they have 7 days cookie duration. But on my video, I always recommend like 30 days cookie duration. What this cookie duration is doing is that, let us say, for example, anyone click on your affiliate link, your cookie is going to store on their browser for 7 days. After 7 days, it's going to wipe off. Let us say your user or your subscriber click on your affiliate link and he said I will purchase the product tomorrow, and he purchased the product even without clicking on your affiliate link. The same time he's trying to purchase the product, you are going to still get the commission. That is what cookie is doing. So that is one thing I just want to explain to you that concerns cookies. So now that you understand that we are going to promote this affiliate program, which is called AppSumo. So what you need to do now is to click on this area where it said become an AppSumo. But I don't want you to click on this area. I want us to go to the platform where AppSumo is hosting their affiliate program. They just have this landing page, but they have a particular place where they hosted their affiliate program service, which is on Impact. So let us go to Impact. So once you come to Impact, click on this icon here and click on the area where it said find brand. So once you click on it, it's going to open up this, and you need to search for AppSumo like this. But one thing you need to do, because I am already a user to AppSumo, I will click on this icon here and I'll click on the area where it said find brand, my brand. Yes, I'll click on my brand, and it's going to open up. As you can see, this is AppSumo, and I will click on it. So once I click on it, you are going to see just like what he told us on their landing page website, which is this one here. You can see what he said here, that we can earn up to 100% commission per referral and $50 per order. So if we come back to Impact here, you can see the same thing. Product approval, which means if you send anyone to them, they approved it. Let us say the person did not ask for a refund, you are going to earn $50, and for sales you are going to earn 100%, up to 100% So that is one thing that I want to let you know. So which means we are going to be estimating like 50% or 30% commission in return for you to promote this product, because they did not just specify a particular amount you will earn. They just say up to 100% commission. That is one thing that they are saying. So now that you understand how you can find this program, where you can find it, which is on Impact, you have to apply, and this is how it look. And they will be showing you that you will earn 50 to 100% commission. And to apply, you already know, you just need to click on it. Normally it's going to be showing at the bottom here, apply, but because I'm already a user to AppSumo, it's going to be telling me to get my affiliate link. Once I click on create here, it's going to pop this up and it's going to be telling me to select AppSumo. I have selected AppSumo. It's going to be asking for landing page. Let us say, for example, I copy this particular URL and I go to a new page, I publish it here. And let us say I open the link here. Let me just try to open the link, Control V or Command V, and I click on enter. So it's going to open up this type of page here, which is something that is not going to bring us traffic. We are not going to make money like this. So what we need to do now is to use this strategy that I'm going to show you. So go back to AppSumo. Let us go back to AppSumo here. So once you come to AppSumo, search for a particular product that you have in mind to promote. Let us say I want to promote a product like Word Hero. I will just click on Word Hero here and I click on enter. It's going to pop up Word Hero software, and I'm going to click on it. So what Word Hero is doing is that Word Hero work like ChatGPT. It helps you to write content, write a blog, generate articles. That is what Word Hero is doing. So once this page open, what I need to do is to copy the URL of this website. I will click on copy. So once I copy it, I will go back now to Impact. Then I will go to my AppSumo tab here, where it's telling me to create a particular link of this my AppSumo, so that I will start making money from it. So what I need to do, the area where it says landing page, I will enter the URL of that page that I want to promote on AppSumo, which is this one here. And I'm going to, now that I've copied the URL, I will come to Impact here and enter the link. And make sure you select AppSumo at the bottom here, where it says the service that you want to promote. Click on here and select AppSumo. So once you have selected it, you need to come down here and click on create. So once I click on create now, this is now my own affiliate link. If I copy this my affiliate link, let us say I copy, so we have already copied it. Then I will go to a new tab and I will click on Command V and I'll click on enter. It's going to open this my link. So this is now how I am going to be making money with this my affiliate link here that Impact have given me from the AppSumo program that I joined on Impact. This is now my unique affiliate link. When I click on create, it's going to generate new one. I can copy it, share it with my audience, and I'm going to make money. So that is how it works. So I know you'll be wondering about how am I able to do this? It's very simple. Let us say, for example, you still land on the home page of your AppSumo. Come here and click on AppSumo here, select AppSumo, and at the bottom here, just scroll down a bit, scroll down so that you'll be seeing the screen. Enter your landing page, which is this one here. Once you enter your landing page link, if you have, it's not compulsory that you need to enter your landing page. If you want, you can do it just like I am doing it. I'm just showing you so that you'll be able to target a particular product, a particular page that you want to promote. If you want to promote a particular page, that is when you do this. But if you want just to promote the official website, you don't need this type. So you just need to copy the link here at the bottom. You don't need any landing page. So click on create again and click on here. It's going to copy. And if we come to open a new page at the top here and click on Command V and click on enter, it's going to open up this page. You can see now it's just showing out just the website because we just copy this link here. And now that you know how to find a product and get your affiliate link, so let us move to how you can send traffic to this your affiliate link and make money from it. So you can see that you can still do this same thing with this website, which is called ShareAssay. ShareAssay is an affiliate program that you can use to promote affiliate product and make money from it. create your account on Share a Sale and start joining a lot of affiliate program on Share a Sale and start promoting them with this same strategy that I'm going to show you. So that is how it works. So how you can send people to click on this your affiliate link and make money from it is for you to create a video. You have to just do the same thing just like I am doing now. Record your computer screen and share your ideas of how the product or the software work. And once you explain it in details, in depth, or how to use the product or the service, and people like it, they will go and click your affiliate link in the description, and it's going to take them to the website. And when they purchase the product and they continue using this product, you are going to make money in the duration of 30 days. So that is one thing that I want to let you. Let us say anyone purchase this product with my own affiliate link. I am going to make like about $40 from this $89. So that is what I'm showing you here. I'm just giving you kind of example of how this business model work. But one thing I want to say here is that you need to focus on picking the particular product that you know that can sell, product that people are looking for. You understand? So that is one thing that I want to let you know here. So what is important is that you need to review the product like a video, a tutorial showing people how to use the website. Let us say, for example, this website, which is called Humantar. If I click on this website now, you can see Humantar is have opened. And what I need to do now is to open the official website of Humantar, showing people step by step. Let us say I click on Humantar here, and it's going to open the website. This is the website. This is the official website and how it works. So what I need to do now is to review this website, showing people how this product works and how it can help people. For those people who find it interesting and find it valuable, they will click the link in the description and they are going to purchase this product and start using it. And I am going to get a commission from this product. So what I'm trying to show you here is not for you to go and do like SEO and all this type of a thing to publish it on your website. No, what I'm saying here is that you should make a video and reviewing this product, how it works in a video, just recording your computer screen, just like I am recording mine now, and publish it on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. You are going to get a lot of views, and you are going to find like maybe 100 or 200 people that is going to purchase the product, and you are going to make money. So that is how this business model works. You need that kind of big skills or experience to do this. You just need to know how to read and write and talk. That is what is important. Make sure that you have a good mic and you have a good computer that can record your computer screen just like you are seeing mine now, and you will go and publish it. So the second way that you can use to drive traffic to this your affiliate product, let us say for example you don't have a website or you don't have anything at all. You have a smartphone. So how you can do this method too is to go to this website which is called Canva, and once you come to Canva, you need to search at the top here. Let us say for example you need to search for like YouTube short. Just search for YouTube short at the top here and click on enter. So once you search for YouTube short, it's going to pop this up, or you can click on Canva template and it's going to show you a lot of YouTube short that you can use with all these Canva templates. What you need to do is going to go convert all these short templates into that website that you are trying to use. Let us say for example this website which is called supereasy.ai. If you go and open this official website and review this product which is called supereasy.ai, if you go and review it, take a lot of screenshot of what this product is and come to this website which is called Canva and select your YouTube short template and add images, add a lot of text, something that can make people to use this tool and how it works. If they don't like it, they will not use it. If they find it valuable and it will solve their problem, they are going to click on your own affiliate link in the description and go and access this website. So that is how you can drive traffic to this your product or service without you even talking or anything. Just go create a very simple short like this without you saying any word, and people are going to follow your instruction of what you give on this short form video and you are going to make money in return. So that is how you can make money with this affiliate marketing strategy. You see that it's very, very simple, it's easy, and anyone can do it. You don't need any experience or any expertise. All you just need to do is just a basic experience and you are good to go. So guys, I will say thank you very much, because I'm going to end this video from here. And what I want from you is to just leave me a comment, leave me a like, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and I will see you on my next upcoming video. And if you want to make $400 online, you can watch this video to learn how you can make money with affiliate marketing. I will see you on my next upcoming video, guys. Peace.